Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Hello. Hello, mic test. Hello, Seal. Good
Hello,
morning.
teacher.
Good morning, Seal. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine, I see. Did you sleep well? Did you have a good
Yes.
sleep? Okay, that's great to hear, honey. Okay, so anyway, my dear, what time did you sleep last night?
Um,
Me, I
10 o'clock.
Oh, that's very early. Me, I slept at 2 a.m. Yeah, because I watch a movie. Do you like watching movies, Seal?
Yes.
Oh, what kind of movies do you like to watch, Seal? Horror,
Hmm.
anime? Yeah. What kind of movie do you like?
Um, I don't
Oh,
know what the
I don't.
name of that kind of movie in
Mhm.
English.
Ah, okay, I see, honey. But it's Vietnamese. That one is Vietnamese. Yeah.
Yes.
So anyway, have you eaten breakfast, Seal?
No.
Oh, because it's very early there, right? It's just 7:33, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, Seal, teacher is now going to share the screen, and we're now going to have the one where we stopped last time. We're going to have the page where we stopped last time, I mean. Okay, Seal?
Okay.
Okay. Honey, do you have a sister?
Yes.
It's Huyen, right? Huyen.
Yes.
Yeah. You know
I
what?
know.
The teacher of Huyen is my best friend. Yeah. Pearl. The name of her teacher is Pearl, right? Yeah. Pearl is my teacher. Pearl is my best friend from this. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, teacher is now going to share the screen. Can you see teacher's screen now? Seal?
I can see now.
You can see now. All right. So anyway, honey, we have here the topic or the vocabularies, the words about what is this one? Studies.
Study.
Yeah, studies, honey, or our school subjects, your school subjects. Most of these are your school subjects, honey. Is it right? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Last time we already had math. The math. Okay? Here. In the UK, honey, how do they call math? How do they say math in UK?
Math.
Very good. With S. But how about in US?
Math.
Very good. And how about in Vietnam, honey? How do you how do you say the word math? Here for the Philippines, it's math or mathematics. How about you there?
Gone.
Math, same. Okay. What is math, honey? Can you explain to me what math subject is?
It's learning about number, shape,
Hmm.
and
Okay, and also patterns, honey, right? Numbers, shapes, and patterns. Very good. And my dear Seal, you know what? I don't like math. For me, math is very hard. How about you? Do you like math, Seal?
maybe I just in the secondary school, so it's just normally don't hurt too much for me.
Ah, it's just very easy for you now. Ah, but you are you in primary school now?
No, I'm in secondary.
Ah, so secondary school's mathematics or math is easier. Yeah?
Yes.
How do you feel, Seal, when you solve math problems? How do you feel? Me? I feel so tired and I feel so nervous every time I answer mathematics questions, honey. How about you? How do you feel? Do you enjoy it?
I just know how to mm, do the normal
Mm,
normal
mm,
exam, but
mm.
if it is harder, I can do it.
Me too. You know what? I always really cry whenever I answer a mathematics homework before when I was in secondary school. Oh my goodness. I let my father help me when I answer. Like, it's so hard. I'm so dumb whenever I answer math. I don't like it. Okay, anyway, honey, next to math, we have
Art
art. Yeah. What is art subject, Seal?
is learning about
Mhm.
drawing.
Yeah, that's it. It is a school subject where you see will learn how to create, and then you're going to appreciate the drawings, the paintings, yeah, the sculptures, right?
Yes.
Do you like art, honey? I do like art before. How about you? Do you like art?
Mm,
Or do you have art subject at school? Do you have?
when I in primary school,
Mm,
I love it and
mm,
always want one more art subject.
mm.
But when in the secondary school, I don't like it because just I just think I drawing so ugly.
Okay, so you liked it more when you were in the primary school, but now you don't like it.
Yes.
I see. Okay. Me, I like it, honey. I like paintings, but I'm not really good in drawing. I'm good, but just I think 70%. Okay, next to art is oh, I think this one is your favorite. What is this?
Uh, English.
Yeah, English. Great. This one is your favorite, right? I think you told me last time this one is your favorite. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you explain to me, Seal, what is a school, I mean, the English school subject, what is it?
It's learning about language in England.
Yeah, that is right. Okay. Yeah, English. I mean, learning the language in England and in USA. Yeah. Okay. Why do you want to learn English, Seal? Why do you want to learn English again?
Hmm.
Why do you, I mean, why do you like learning English? Or what is the reason why you like to learn English? Okay, me first. Me. When I was a kid, Seal, I used to love watching Chinese films. Yeah. Yeah. And I don't understand Chinese, Seal, but there's like a subtitle below the movie. Wait, do you know subtitle, honey? Subtitle here. Title.
Phụ đề.
That one. Phụ đề.
Okay.
Yeah. And I really didn't understand. So my motivation, Seal, is that I want to learn English because I want to understand what's written in the subtitles or in the food. Yeah. So that's my motivation. That's the reason why I like um learning English before, because I like movies. And I don't understand English before. I didn't understand English before. Now what's the reason why you're learning English?
Mm, when I
Mm-hmm.
study at grade
Mm-hmm.
1 and 2, I don't like English. I just
Mm-hmm.
like math.
Mm.
But when in grade 3, my math is bad now, and then someone sit with me,
Mm-hmm.
say I'm very good at English,
Mm-hmm.
and after that I like the English because I think
Really?
I am great at that.
Mm. But you're good. You're actually good. Yeah. You speak good, honey. And you understand my questions, even if I don't use translator. You understand me. So you're really good. Yeah. To be honest, I'm going to tell you honestly, you're really good. Yeah. Okay. All right, great. You know what? I like students who really likes to learn English and who loves English. That's a big factor for me. Like, yeah, you're my idol. Okay, next to English is, oh, I
Music.
like this. Yeah, I like this one. What is a music subject, Seal? How, like, what do we learn? What do we learn when we have music subject?
What about song?
Mm-hmm.
What about
Songs.
singing and dance?
Yeah. Yeah, very good. Do you like it?
No.
Why not?
Um, I was told last week is I don't want to be stand on the stair and sing a song the mu the sing a song the
Like, you're
sing and
shy.
then
You are shy. You are shy,
yes.
honey. Yeah, I understand. I understand. But you know how to sing.
Yes.
Yeah, but you're just shy. Me, I'm not shy, honey. I am not shy, even though I don't really know how to sing that well. But I am not shy. Yeah. Okay, great, honey. Next one, next to music, we have, oh, I like this one before. I like this. What is this one,
Sorry.
Seal? Yeah, do you like this?
Hmm. Yes.
Okay. What is history subject, Seal?
Learning about what
Mm.
in the past.
Yes, that is great. It is a school subject where you learn, or where students learn about past events, honey. Great job. Or you're also going to learn about the people from the past and the places from the past, honey. Right? And I
Yes.
like it. How about you? Do you like it?
Like it too.
Wow. Why? Why do you like it, honey?
My sister
Mm-hmm.
was study in the secondary and say when I in grade 9 is
Mm-hmm.
the principal of the school will be our teacher,
Mm-hmm.
and she start teach us about the history. So my sister say I should prepare for that.
Really? Oh, I see. All right, but you like it, right? You
Yes.
like it? Okay. Honey, what did you learn in the history class, honey? That's really your favorite. Yeah, what's your I mean, what is the favorite part of the history that is really attached to you, honey? Me? The war between the Philippines and Spain, honey. Me, it is really, really special to me because we won. Philippines versus Spain. Philippines won. Yeah, because they colonized us. And that's my favorite part of the history. Now, in Vietnamese history, honey, what is your favorite part? Or what is it? What's your favorite?
Mhm. My favorite part is a war between um, Vietnam and Pháp,
France?
French.
Oh yeah, the Vietnamese War versus France. Me too. I like it. I also like it, honey. I also like that part of your history. Yeah, actually, there's like in Filipino history subject before when I was in secondary school, honey. There's like a part of our lesson where we discussed about the war between France and the war between France and Paris, and that's why I learned about France, honey. And also, I learned about the Saigon, which is Ho Chi Minh, right? Yeah,
Yes.
when the Americans went there, right, honey? I'm not sure, but I think the Americans went there in Saigon. Yeah,
Yes.
people like armies in the USA went there. Did you have war between America, honey? I'm not really sure if it's America, right?
It's America.
Yeah, yeah, right. That's also what I liked before. I liked Saigon. Like I like the story of there's like a Miss Saigon, honey. It's like a theater, and it's really my favorite. Miss Saigon. Okay. Anyway, let's have the next one to history, honey, which is the what is it?
Science.
Yeah, the science subject. Very good, honey. What is science subject, my dear?
Learning about
Learning about
I don't know.
plants, animals, yeah, the earth, the space, like the moon, the stars, the Uranus, the Jupiter, the whole space, honey, and doing experiments. And I didn't like science. I didn't like science, and I don't like science even now. How about you, honey? Do you like science?
No.
Why not? Is it hard?
Good. And it's not hard too much, but it has uh too many things should remember to do the exam. Like it's
Exactly.
no, like it when it's in the grade 6 it's still no normal,
Mm-hmm.
but in the grade 7 is exchange the exam with the exam that
Harder.
teacher.
Okay, continue, honey.
So that making me uh, need to remember more.
Mm. Yeah, you need to remember everything.
And I'm not
You need
good
to
at
study.
remembering.
Okay, do you study, honey, before the exam? Do you study a lot before the exam?
Yes.
Yeah, that's really great, but you have to remember a lot. You have to remember a lot when it's science. That's really true, honey. The force, the acceleration, the gravity, everything in science, honey. It's so complicated. It's also actually math and science are almost the same. Do you agree with me, honey? Math and science
Yes.
are almost connected. Yeah, it's almost connected. It's there. It feels like they are brothers, honey, brothers and sisters.
Just the
From
different
yeah,
is
yeah,
science. Just the different is science can use in the calculator.
yeah. That is it. That is it, honey. Great. That is it. That's why I also didn't like science before. Okay. Next to science, honey, is what is that? Oh, I like this. I like this one. What is this one, honey?
Geometry, geography,
Geography. Geography.
geography.
Yes. What is it? I like this one before.
Hmm.
Do you have this one? Do you have this one at school?
Uh,
You have this or no?
yes.
Okay. What is it, honey? What do we learn? What do we
Learn
learn when we
about
have? Mhm.
place.
Yeah, we
Uh,
can learn about the place or the earth, honey. The earth. Yes, that's it. We can learn about the place. What else? That's right. Countries or the place. That's what you mean, right? The place or the countries? Yeah. Okay. Geography class, honey, or geography subject is a subject where we or where you discuss about the earth. We're going to discuss about the countries of countries here on earth, honey. You're going to discuss also about the water. You know the sea, the river, the lake, something like that. You're also going to talk about the weather and the people in general, honey. That's why I actually like it, honey. Geography, honey, is like a map adventure school subject, honey. It feels like it's like a map adventure subject for me. Like children can imagine traveling across the mountains, honey. That's what I learned about um geography subject. And actually, honey, I am a teacher in a public school in the morning. And my favorite subject to teach is geography aside from English because my main major is English. But I also my minor my I mean my minor subject that I teach is geography and I like it. I like geography, honey. How about you? Do you like geography?
hmm.
Do you like it? Me, I didn't like it before when I was like in primary school or like secondary school. But when I went into the university, like it's so nice. Or I mean college, it's so nice. How about now, honey? How do you feel about geography subject? In all honesty, okay? How do you feel about it?
I just like it number
Normally.
because the teacher in the secondary school
Mm,
is so old, so she can do nothing and say too loud. So she
mm,
just give um give one oh everything need to write
mm-hmm,
and that's the student you go there and write everything to the board.
mm,
Let us write you to the books.
mm.
But
Great.
uh sh- um the student um and the teacher is why very hard to see.
Mm,
So
mm,
I need to open the book to see what does that mean.
mm.
It's like
Really, really.
I just see the one letter and then I need to open the book and search for that letter.
Uh-huh. So for you, it's kinda like it's a little bit harder, honey, for you. Yeah. Little bit harder. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Seal, can I go to the toilet first? Can you wait for me? Can I go to the toilet? Wait for me, okay? I really need to pee. Wait, I will be back. Hold on. I will. I am back. Thank you so much, honey, for waiting. Okay. So now, next to geography, honey, is what is it?
IT.
Very good. IT, information technology. Do you like it? Me, I don't. I didn't like it before. How about you? Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, why do you like it, honey?
I like it when we
Mm.
finish the subject now, so teacher don't care about anything, and I can open the
The
computer
computer.
and play game with that.
You can play inside the IT room?
Yes.
Oh, well, that's great to hear. Me before the teacher was very strict. We weren't allowed to play. Yeah, she was just like standing, behind us. Yeah. Oh, that's why I didn't like it. So what is information technology and what do we learn? What do we learn in information technology, honey, or IT?
About computer.
Great. What else? Computers, the internet. How about the internet, honey? Do we learn about the internet too? Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah. Yes. Sometimes it's discussed sometimes, but it's generally like for computers, honey. You will learn how to navigate the computer, how to copy paste and paste and many more. Next to information technology, honey, is oh, I didn't like it. What is this?
Biograph.
Bio
Biology.
biology. Biology. Can you say it again one more time?
Biology.
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 Yeah, so that is biology subject, honey. And please tell me what biology subject is.
We study about
About plants or the living things, honey. Yeah. Um, biology subject, honey, is about the living things on Earth, like the plants, the animals, and the humans, honey. Yeah, and how do these living things grow and survive here on Earth? So that's biology, and I didn't like it before. I didn't like biology before, honey. How about you? Did you like or do you like biology? Are you interested to it?
I don't have a biology
You don't have.
subject,
Mm.
but I
Ah,
think science is biology is in science.
yes, exactly. Exactly. Biology is actually in science, honey. That is right. Yeah, it's exactly in science. Okay, so that's why I don't like it. That's why I don't like biology, honey, before because it's so hard. It's in science actually. Yeah. There are actually, honey, there are countries where they separate learning biology from science. They think it's different. But here in the Philippines, honey, they combine the biology like they combine the biology and the science, honey. So the biology is in science, and that's what you said is actually right. Yeah. So anyway, I don't like it. That's my take. I don't like science subject. Okay. Anyway, next to science subject, my dear, biology, we have dra
Drama,
drama. Yeah. What is drama, honey? I
I don't
like
know.
this. You don't have this?
Yes.
Oh, you don't have this one at school. I see, honey. Actually, drama, honey, is like a story acting subject at school, honey, where you're going to learn how to act. You know the word, right? How to do acting, how to perform. Yeah. And I liked it before, honey. I like drama. Anyway, maybe in the future, honey, you will have drama. Okay, next to drama we have. Oh, I don't like
Mm.
it. What is it? What is that? Next to
Swim.
drama, honey. Swimming. Do you know how to swim? Seal?
Yes.
Oh no, me. I am already 25 years old and teacher Shane doesn't know how to swim yet. What is swimming subject, honey?
Is learning how to swim.
Yeah, how to move in the water, how to float, how to practice the strokes. Yeah. It's a water adventure subject at school. And do you have swimming class at school? Do you have it?
No.
I know. Have you tried swimming class before?
Hmm.
Have you tried?
I try it when I in the countryside.
Ah, in the countryside. I see. And now you're in the city, right? Okay. I see. Thank you so much, my dear. Now, let's have the last one. The last one is
PE.
PE. Okay, PE or physical education. I like it before. Okay, what is PE, honey? What do we learn or what do you learn about PE?
And about doing physical activity
Hmm? Very good.
and
Physical
other
activities
sport.
like? Yeah, very good. That's what I like to learn about other sports. And you can do exercises too, right? Yeah.
Yes.
PE is like the movement playground of the school, honey. And then children or the students can imagine running, jumping, playing games, and you will learn how to stay strong and healthy, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, my dear. Before we have this part right here, let's read the words first. Let's start with this one. Please read.
Math. Math. Art. English. Music. History. Science. Geography. Geography. IT. biology,
Biology.
bio,
Biology.
biology,
Yeah.
grammar, swimming, PE.
Very well. Okay, now, honey. So we have here this sample. Okay, let's have this one, my dear. Let's have the subject. What subjects do you like to study? Or let's put a twist, honey. What subjects do you like to study in the studies or the subjects we discussed a while ago? Which one?
English.
English. Well, just English? Only English?
Like
Yeah?
IT
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. English and IT.
and
Okay, but which? Okay, go.
history.
Ooh. Okay, can you say it completely, my dear? You will say the subjects that I like to study are. Can you say that, please?
The subject I like to study is English,
Are.
English, IT, and history.
Great, perfect. Now, which subjects do you like the best? Or which subject do you like the best, honey? Only one.
English.
Very
My
well. Your favorite. Okay, so we have here this one, honey, these vocabularies here, the extra vocabularies right here. Please read this one, the first one. We have the word may,
many,
many, very good. Okay, it means a lot
a
of
lot
or
of,
lots of.
of,
Yeah, can you make a sentence using the word lots of, honey? Please make a sentence using the word lots of.
I like a lot of subjects.
Very good. How about many? Many. Make a sentence.
I have many subjects at school.
Okay. We also have here wide range of. Yeah. Wide range of. It's actually the synonym of many, a lot of, lots of. Wide range of. Okay. Please make a sentence too using the word wide range of, honey.
I have a wide range of subjects.
Great. I have a wide range of subjects. Great job. Okay. Great job, honey. Thank you. Okay. We also have the synonym of these words. We have here kindly read a wide
Variety of.
a wide variety. Honey, it's a wide, yeah, variety. Variety, honey. If it's hard, variety. Variety.
Variety.
Yes. But anyway, honey, we don't have enough time anymore. So this ends our class for today. Thank you so much, Seal, for your time. And you did so well, Seal. Okay, we're going to meet again next week. Thank you so much, Seal, and take care. Bye-bye, Seal.
Goodbye, teacher.